Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the home screen on the current watch face to open the widget menu, and here on the list of widgets you should see the control panel. Tap on it, then scroll through the control panel and look for the airplane mode icon. And once you find it and select it, you can tap on the switch next to the icon to enable the mode, or you can also use the crown button. And once you tick on the mode, the switch will be enabled, ticked on. You can press the back button to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see the icon flashing right here, the airplane mode icon, which tells you that the mode is enabled. And also if you open the widgets panel, you will see that the on control panel there's also the airplane mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you need to open the control panel again, scroll through the menu, select the airplane mode icon, and then press the crown button or tap on the switch. And then you can press the back button a couple of times, and as you can see, the icon from the control panel is gone, and the icon from the watch face is also gone, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.